Google provides a variety of free AI courses through Google Cloud designed to make AI more accessible to everyone. These courses offer a structured learning path covering topics such as generative AI, machine learning, and responsible AI practices. The courses are self-paced, allowing learners to progress at their own speed and include short video lessons, reading materials, and interactive quizzes. Upon completion, participants receive free certificates and digital badges to enhance their professional profiles. Available courses. Introduction to Generative AI, a beginner-friendly course explaining what generative AI is, how it differs from traditional learning models, and its applications. It takes approximately 45 minutes, including a 22-minute video, reading material, and a quiz. Participants earn a free completion badge. Introduction to Large Language Models, or LLMs. Insights into large language models, their functions and applications. It takes around 45 minutes with a 15-minute video, reading material, and a quiz. Participants earn a free badge. Welcome to the Introduction to Responsible AI. In this section, we'll cover the basic principles of responsible AI and discuss the importance of ethical AI practices. We'll also highlight Google's 7 AI principles and how they are applied in our products. This module includes a 9-minute video and a quiz designed for quick learning. Plus, participants will earn a free badge upon completion. Let's dive in. Prompt Design in Vertex AI. This course focuses on skills related to crafting prompts to guide generative AI outputs. It covers prompt engineering, image analysis, and effective AI prompt creation. It takes about 5 hours and 15 minutes to complete, with a free completion badge awarded. Responsible AI, applying AI principles with Google Cloud. This course teaches operationalizing responsible AI using Google Cloud. It explains how AI principles can ensure ethical AI practices in real-world applications. Duration, approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, with a free badge awarded upon completion. Benefits of the courses: completely free. All courses are available at no cost, making advanced AI education accessible to everyone. No registration fees, no hidden costs or registration fees. You can sign up and start learning without financial barriers. Free certification: participants receive free certificates validating their AI knowledge and skills, providing a competitive career edge. Valuable CV addition: an AI certificate from Google is a prestigious achievement, making you more attractive to potential employers and showcasing your commitment to learning. How to enroll. Register on the official website https://cloud.google.com/learn/training/machine-learning-AI. Start by clicking the Apply Now button and signing up on Google's AI course platform. Choose your course. After registering, browse the list of available AI courses and select the one that aligns with your learning goals. Complete modules, quizzes, and exercises. To receive free certification, participants must complete all assigned modules, quizzes, and hands-on exercises. Earn your free badge. After finishing the course, you'll receive a free completion badge to share on professional profiles. Enroll anytime. Google AI courses have no deadlines, allowing you to enroll and start learning at your own pace whenever ready. These courses are open to participants worldwide, with no age or academic restrictions, and are available to anyone regardless of their field of study. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply curious about AI, these courses offer a flexible and accessible way to expand your knowledge and skills in artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more insightful content on AI and machine learning. Happy learning.